How to export video from Capcut to Gallery. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on your device. Simply go to your video, edit your video as you want. After you're done editing to export, simply click on the icon at the top right, which is AIUHD. Here, turn on Ultra HD if you have Pro version, then increase resolution to 2K to 4K, frame rate to 60, and bitrate if you want to increase. And after you've done that, press on export at the top right corner of your screen. After you export, it will simply export the video for you. After it's done exporting from here, you can simply open your gallery and check your gallery. Make sure you're in the screen while it's downloading. After 100%, only go back from the app. After it's 100%, simply go back and go to gallery, and you will find your video in here saved. And this is how to export video from Capcut to Gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.